Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are unboxing AirPods 3. This is AirPods 3rd generation. I am super excited to check these out. Let's do this. AirPods 3 are the redesigned budget-friendly AirPods, although they do keep the actual cheaper AirPods around now for $129. The packaging here you can see on the front, we've just got the new design there, which is basically AirPods Pro without the silicone tips. So on either side we get an Apple logo there and an Apple logo there. On the bottom we get all the regulatory information, and then on the top we get one of the new features, as you can see, with the MagSafe case. On the back we do get another look at the redesign, and this, of course, same with the iPhone, has no cellophane, so it's basically just take the tabs off. One off there and the other one off there. So if we open this now and take a look inside, here we go. We get the box, which is very similar to the other previous model there. Inside we actually do get some information, tells us how to use the AirPods and connect them to our phone, etc. We also get some more regulatory stuff, and we get no Apple stickers. So no Apple stickers with AirPods. We get the new AirPods themselves, we'll put them there, and also at the bottom of the box, if we pull this up, you do get a Lightning to USB-C cable, which is, I always see this on TikTok stuff, people didn't even realize that you get this inside. So there it is, USB-C to Lightning to charge the case. So moving all these out of the way, we have now got the AirPods themselves. These weight-wise feel similar to the other gen, like the first gen. AirPods Pro definitely feel a bit heavier from first impressions. So one of the things with the new AirPods is the MagSafe case, which, as you can see here, magnetically attaches the AirPods to the MagSafe charger. I am super happy to have this feature. Did not expect it, but very much happy to have it. Let's now get these paired up. So let's do what we got to do here. We open the case, and as you can see there, it's now going to pair them, and we're going to get the nice animation, which basically is connecting AirPods. One tap now, connect, and these will be linked to my iCloud account, so all my devices get access to them. Looking inside the case, we do get nice looking earbuds. I like the look of these a lot. I'm a bit worried that they're going to be a bit big. Weight wise, they do seem to be relatively heavy, which is a good and bad thing. Heavier than the other ones anyway. The other ones did feel a bit toy. Let's try and put them in though, see if they fit good in my ears. Yeah, they feel good. They're just going to take a while to get used to. Well, there's actually a bit of, not noise reverb, but you know what I mean. Let's listen to this little song here. They're not much better than the previous AirPods, in my opinion. They sound a little bit better, but not leaps and bounds better. If you haven't got a pair of AirPods, I'd say great, but I wouldn't rush out and sell your current AirPods to get these. They don't sound that much different. We do get some additional benefits with these though. We do get sweat resistance, we get the MagSafe case. We also get 6 hours of battery life once with the case, etc. So we do get some benefits there, but if you've got a pair that you've just bought, don't rush out, don't think you've got to upgrade. They sound okay. I mean, I'm probably they sound okay because I use my AirPods Max a lot more, so I'm listening to them a lot more. It's a much more enjoyable experience for music, but on the go, these are going to be fine. These are definitely aimed at the people that want that spatial audio experience, but they don't like the in-ear buds. I would say though, try these out. These are not like the previous AirPods. They are a little bit more like AirPods Pro, in my opinion. They do penetrate your ear a little bit more. They're a bit more of a tighter seal. So I would say that, bear that in mind, try them out. But the fit themselves, I'm not sure. They're light, but there's definitely, even when I'm talking now, I feel like I've got to talk louder because there's a seal, which is good from a noise cancelling point of view. But, bear that in mind because everyone's ears obviously are not the same. I had multiple problems with my AirPods cases as well, with clicking and stuff. and I'm having nothing like that. These seem really solid. The previous ones were really loose. Even my AirPods Pro was loose. So they must have done something with these, because I know I returned like 4 pairs of AirPods, or 4 cases anyway, and got them replaced. This unit seems much better, seems much more solid. Doesn't seem to be so loose. But yeah, there is my first look and impressions and unboxing of AirPods 3. Very happy to have these, finally have a new pair of AirPods. As I say, I wouldn't personally, for my first impressions, I wouldn't say these are like a must. You don't need to get them, but if you're in the market, it's a nice addition to have. And yeah, just bear that in mind. So there it is, guys. There is my look at AirPods 3. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.